Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At itinan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo ngayong first half ng December. December 1 to 15, 2024. If you're interested sa private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see Sagittarius. It's Sagittarius season. Happy birthday. Happy solar return sa inyo. I wish you all the best. Happiness, success, good health. Oh. Okay, Sag. Chop wood. Okay, you will make yourself busy ngayong first half ng December. Pwedeng may mga gagawin kang mga, alam mo na, yung mga projects sa bahay na pwedeng dati isinasantabi mo lang pero ngayon kailangan mo na siyang harapin. You also have breathe. Ayan. So some of you, pagdating sa peace of mind, yan din yung isa sa focus ninyo ngayong first half ng December. You will try mga different ways to calm yourself, na kung paano kalmahin ang sarili mo. Some of you may mga meditation exercises na gagawin, yoga, or anything na magbibigay sa'yo ng kapayapaan ng isip on how to center yourself. You will also focus on your health. And if may mga bagay na gumugulo sa isip mo, magbibigay ka ng time para sa sarili mo na pag-isipan mo ng mabuti bago ka magdesisyon. You're very adaptable, Sagittarius. Pag may mga kailangan kang gawin, baguhin, gagawin mo no? Gagawin mo siya para mai-align mo dun sa gusto mo. So, ibig sabihin nito, open ka for new experiences, o open ka sa mga bagong skills, bagong matututunan. You are willing to learn. Let's see, ano pa. Oops. The Hermit. So, this is reassessing your situation. Maaring ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong clarity, kaliwanagan, kapag kung makaka-experience man kayo ng parang kailangan yung mag-decide or naguguluhan kayo. The Hermit is about knowing what's best for your situation. Okay? Pagdating sa yung parang pagre-reassess mo ng situation mo, ng problema mo, makikita mo agad kung saan ang gagaling yung issue, ano yung dahilan kung bakit napunta ka sa sitwasyon na yon, and you will find clarity. Speaking of clarity, the High Priestess is knowing about what's best for you, for your situation. This is also about your instinct, yung intuition mo on point. Mas lalong nagiging malakas ang iyong pakiramdam, yung iyong kutob. Ano ba yung Tagalog ng intuition? Yung ba parang alam mo lang? Oo. Yung meron kang inner knowing. You have the 10 of Wands. Some of you might have a lot of sacrifices for the people na sinusuportahan mo, or for the people na nakadepende sa'yo. And kahit na gano'n, kahit marami kang responsibilities, obligations, kaya mo mag-provide. Oo. With the King of Pentacles, meron ditong good news na darating when it comes to your career, na if you are worrying, kung nag-aalala ka na, tumataas yung pangangailangan ninyo, ng family ninyo, you will receive good news dahil tataas yung sweldo mo, mapopromote ka, or mas malaki na yung kikitain ng business mo, ganon. So, nag-a-align din naman yung resources mo, yung pinagkukunan mo, yung source of income mo, doon sa mga pangangailangan mo. You have the Queen of Cups. So, this is about you focusing on self-care, focusing on self-love. The Three of Swords. Meron ditong, kaya siguro kayo magfo-focus sa self-care, self-love. You might experience some disappointment. And what is the Three of Swords? Why is it here? Bakit may Three of Swords? Knight of Pentacles. Some expectations sa isang tao can be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, na hindi niya maibigay or hindi niya ma-deliver yung kanyang pananagutan, no? Or yung responsibility. Para kasing ikaw yung sasalo nung responsibility, for some of you. So, kind of disappointing, pero kaya mo naman. That's why kailangan rin huwag mong pababayaan yung sarili mo. Kasi may tendency ka na mag-overwork, tapos mapabayaan mo yung sarili mo. So, kailangan talaga good health. Diba? May abundance. See? Kahit marami kang kailangang panagutan or obligasyon, kaya mo eh. Merong ayun. I think ito yung yung energy ng Three of Swords. There's like a conflict with someone dahil maaring itong person na to, inaasahan mo siyang tutulong sa'yo, tapos hindi pala. Meron ding regrets, disappointment, o siguro dahil inisip mo parang siguro sinuportahan mo tong taong to or what, meron ka mga binigay na pabor sa kanya, so nag-expect ka sa kanya and now hindi niya kaya nang ibalik. But when it comes to your spirituality, your insights mo, ngayong first half ng December, mas lalong tumitibay, parang you are wiser beyond your age, kumbaga. Some of you, maaring meron kayong mamimit or para magkikita ulit kayo ng mga friends nyo way back in college, way back in high school, ganyan. May reunion. So, sa money, career, finances, you have the Knight of Cups, the Seven of Wands, and the Knight of Swords. Yes, I think yung iba sa inyo, pagdating sa trabaho, or ano man yung pinagkakakitaan nyo, minsan parang tinitake advantage na kayo ng iba. It's time na pangalagaan nyo yung sarili niyo. Set boundaries. Lalo na pag merong laging hingi ng pera sa inyo, or sinasabi na supportahan mo sila, pero pag kailangan mo sila, wala sila. 'Di ba? Set boundaries. Sa love life, you have the Page of Swords, the Moon. Sag, merong interested sa'yo, pero secret siya. Hindi siya ramdam, pero inaalam niya yung mga bagay tungkol sa'yo. Take a breather. Oh my God, dalawa na naman yung breathe tsaka breather. So, ngayong first half ng December, you are being asked ng universe na magpahinga. Hold your vision. Kumbaga, bigyan mo ng time yung sarili mo makapagpahinga. Makalanghap ng sariwang hangin. A time to give rather than take. Maaaring meron kang tutulungan. Someone who really needs your help. Kahit anong help to. Pwedeng yung presence mo, or monetary, yung skills mo. Hold your vision. Ano man yung mga plano mo pa, moving forward, especially next year, hold your vision, focus ka lang doon. Kasi eventually, you will achieve it kung hindi ka distracted. Okay? So, that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. Bye!